Alright, so if you ever need to make a 45-degree cut with two different size boards so that they fit, today we're going to show you how. Alright, so traditionally you just grab your speed square and you mark a 45-degree angle on one board and then the other, and they come together nice and clean. But because this is a 2x4 and this is a 2x6, not even close. So let me show you how, if you're in this situation, you can get these so that they line up perfectly. This is how you're going to do it. So you're going to grab the board, go to the end here, mark it, you grab your speed square, you're going to mark from the corner to your mark. Alright, so now we made our marks on our 2x6, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the 2x4. So now that we marked our 2x4 and the 2x6, we're going to go ahead and cut these at the precise angles and see how they fit. Alright, moment of truth. How will these two line up? These match up perfect. Follow for more tips and tricks.